This is my personal presentation. Hello, my name is Luis Arrieta Garcia. I come from Colombia. I have been living in Santa Marta since 1980. I was born in 1971. I married in 1996 when I was 20 years old. We have a son and a daughter. They are living with us. Our house is located on the mountain out of the city. Here there are many interesting places to visit. My number phone is 300655031 and my email is safenatpaneat@hotmail.com. I'm a welder and a builder since I was 20 years old. My address is Kilometer 5 Road to Minca, Santa Marta, Magdalena.